Hey, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to look at the Insta360 Link2C AI-powered camera from Insta360. This is a premium 4K webcam, and this does a really good job. Matter of fact, the video you're seeing now was filmed or taken with the Insta360 Link2C 4K webcam. This does not have a gimbal, so it does not rotate. There is another model, one up from this, from Insta360, which does do that. It's basically the same camera, but it has a hardware mount that will physically follow you. This one does it through software, so it zooms in a bit and crops, and you can use hand gestures to start tracking. So anyhow, let's get to unboxing this. Enough with this and the hand gestures. That didn't work for me at the moment. But there we go. So there it is. Here's the camera. Here's the camera. Not bad. Here's the USB-C to USB-C cable. This is the base. So it says to put this in the center of the base. And then this clips on your laptop and do different things. It also has a mount screw for a tripod, so that's pretty cool. I will need magnifying glasses to read this, but then again, touch key, lens, indicator light. So that's the touch key, of course that's the lens, and the indicator light is in between both of them. You can mount this a couple different ways. Connect it to your Windows or Mac system. To avoid issues due to insufficient power supply, please connect the webcam directly to a computer or a USB port with an independent power supply. Avoid compatibility issues, please use the included USB cable. Take out one of my Asus laptops and fire this bad boy up.
A few moments later.
So while this thing is setting up, let me tell you what this is good for. This 4K camera is better than most webcams that are built into laptops. So for content creators and vloggers, this works perfect. I don't have to get out all the gear, and it just works and clear, and it looks good. So if you work remotely and you want to step up your game, the Insta360 Link2C 4K webcam is a pretty good addition to your workflow, pretty good addition to your remote work situation. It's got 4K resolution, 30 frames per second at 3840 by 2160. It has an internal microphone. It is a 1/2-inch CMOS sensor, so that's pretty big for a webcam. So this webcam is suitable for vlogging, live streaming, you name it. You're looking at it now. This is a fairly good webcam. Connects to my PC via USB-C, USB-C to USB-C. Internal microphone is pretty good. I'm using internal microphones actually behind some glass here, so but it still does a pretty good job of picking up voice. It has gesture controls and it auto frames. and it can do a bunch of different things. This has HDR mode. It says HDR mode. This is the Link2C. This isn't the one that has the gimbal. This is a fixed lens, and it does auto tracking, which it does pretty good actually. If you want to step up your game with webcam, you do a lot of remote work. You're on Teams, Zoom, whatever, every day, or you want to film some content. You want to vlog, film some content in a studio setting like this. The Insta360 Link2C is a perfect 4K webcam for you. It is USB 2.0, USB 2.0, so it's not 3.0. 3.0 would have more bandwidth available, but it's sufficient for 4K 30 frames per second. The field of view is 79.5, so it's not a huge field of view. You're not distorted when you look at it. There's no flare to the lens or distortion to the lens. It's pretty good and pretty clear. Comes with its own software to record video. It'll record to an MP4 or a AVI. I think the Insta360 Link2C is perfect for the remote worker or even the occasional vlogger. Does a good job. Looks clear and is pretty straightforward. If you're in that situation where you just occasionally want to take good webcam video, the Insta360 Link2C may be the camera for you. It is much better than most webcams that are built into your laptop, significantly better. Has auto framing. It has an internal microphone array. Does a pretty good job with sound pickup, good picture quality, 4K up to 30 frames per second, or you can do 1080p at 60 frames per second.